Alam niyo ba, pwedeng maging amoy mamahalin kahit hindi kailangan gumastos ng mahal. And oo, tamang-tama to for mga budget savvy pero gustong maging confident araw-araw. Meet Centro 101 na sobrang affordable pero swak and quality, amoy premium like mga luxury brand pero price is affordable. And ang bango niya talaga, like ang vibe is pwedeng pang daily, pang lakad, pang work, pang office, or event. Affordable price but scent is quality and affordable. And at best part, hindi ka na kailangan mag-break ng bank para lang maging amoy mamahali. So kung gusto mo ng swak na bango na hindi mahirap ang presyo, affordable price but scent is quality and affordable, try mo na ang Centro 101. Get yours now, click on my basket. Thanks for watching. Love ya!